Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to React session 3. Today I want to discuss about the React components. So in previous sessions we are already discussed about the React, what is React and what are the features of React, React project structure and React file structure. So and a sample application. These all things we are already discussed in previous videos. Today I want to discuss about the components. So what is component and how many types of component, what are the characters of the component, we need to discuss about this. So components are independent and reusable bits of code. So component, generally our React.js applications are called as component based application, means every module they had developed through a component. Actually every module they had separated with a component. So that's why the React applications are called as component based applications. So the characters of the components are the component should return something is the mandatory, and these are allowing our properties, our general way how we are creating properties in object oriented, like that only we have properties also, but it is an optional. And the character, main character of the component, the character of, I mean the naming convention of the component, the first letter of the component, it should capital letter. So and these are two types of component, one is functional component and second one is class components. So today we will discuss about the functional components. Before going to the practical explanation of the functional component, we should know the general scenario, general way, I mean in real time how they are developing the components modules. I will show through Amazon site or whatever, Flipkart. You can yeah, daily we are using some sites, right? Like that, here see this entire module, it is called as a component in our React applications. So see, it is one component, it is one component, it is one component. Like that, they are developing through component based all applications, entire application through components. Okay, so how we are developing these components in React JS application, we should know the concept of component. Okay, so I will explain the functional component in this session, how we are developing the component in practical way. I will explain through React.js sample application. Okay, I already created one React application. We are already, I mean you can see the previous videos how we are creating application, first application of the React, then you can come to know. So I already created app.js is the default page, we are already know. Okay, so like that, how app.js also one component, see, it is one component. Okay, so like that, how we are creating our own component, see how we are creating. See, I will create one file here, some movies.js. Okay, like that I am creating one component here. First of all, I need to import some namespace, import star as React from React. Okay, now I am creating a functional component. The syntax is function, component name should be capital letter, first letter, movie. Okay, here the character, the main character of component, I am telling here return, it should return something, right? That's why I am returning one div here. Okay, here I am creating one movies module. That's why I am taking one image src img src equals to, okay, I am taking one image address in the Google. See, I am taking this image address, copy image address. Okay, and the properties, some properties, for example, I am taking paragraph tag in this movie name. What are the properties? We have so many properties: director name, hero name, heroine name, movie, Saho, and hero, Prabhas. Like that, you can give more when you are practicing the component concept. You can control, yes, and we need to export here. See, once we create the component, we need to use, right? That's why we need to export that. See, export default movie, control, yes. Now I want to use this component here. I am commenting entire code here, otherwise I am removing here. I am using my component movie. See, control, yes. See here, it is displaying or not. Like this, in coming videos, upcoming videos, I will create. I will show some general calculations how we are creating functional components. In next videos we will see, and later we will discuss about class components. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.